In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Reel ID in Meta Business Suite. If you need to reference a specific reel for tracking, support, reporting, or internal documentation, copying the Reel ID is a quick and useful task. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it inside Meta Business Suite so you can do it smoothly and without confusion. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and go to the Content section. This is where your published and scheduled content is organized, including reels and other post types. Once you're in the right area, you'll be able to narrow down the content you're looking for. Next, use the filter option to search for the content you need. This step is helpful if you manage a large number of posts and want to find a specific reel faster. Applying a filter can save time and reduce the chance of selecting the wrong piece of content. Make sure you locate the exact reel whose ID you want to copy before moving on. After you've found the correct reel, look for the three-dot menu associated with that content item. This menu usually contains additional actions and options related to the post. Click on the three dots to open that menu and reveal the available choices. From the menu, click on Copy Reel ID. As soon as you select that option, the Reel ID will be copied to your clipboard. That means you can immediately paste it wherever you need, such as a spreadsheet, document, message, or support form. If you want to confirm it worked, simply paste it into a temporary note or text field first. A helpful tip here is to double check that you copied the ID from the correct reel, especially if several posts look similar or were published around the same time. Keeping your content organized can make this process even easier when you need to retrieve IDs later. And that's all it takes. You open content, use the filter to find the reel, open the three-dot menu, and select Copy Reel ID. It's a very short process, but knowing exactly where to click makes it much faster when you need that information quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you copy a Reel ID in Meta Business Suite with confidence.